Alright. Hi guys. How's everyone doing today? I'm doing well. Yeah, today I'm gonna try out this teeth whitening kit that I got last June. And the reason I'm doing it in March now is because when I bought it June the 16th, and then on June 20th last year I found out that I was pregnant. So I couldn't use it. Anyway, so it's called Aura Glow. I've not used like a legit teeth whitening kit really, but here it is. I got it from Amazon. So let me show you all what's in this box first. So there's the Deluxe Home Teeth Whitening Kit. And then I got a teeth whitening pen. And then I got refills for the pen. When I ordered this stuff, the total for all three was $64.20. When I got the pen, it was $14.99, and I'm pretty sure now it said on Amazon it was like $22. The refill pack when I bought it was $15.99, and I'm pretty sure it was $23 now. I just looked up everything. And then the kit when I got it was $29.99, and when I looked it up it said it was $30. Alright, so Aura Glow. Professional dental whitening as little as one treatment. Light activated whitening technology, low sensitivity white gel. 3 steps to a whiter smile. Add whitening gel to mouth tray using gel syringe. Insert tray into your mouth, turn on whitening light and wear for 30 minutes. Feel your brighter smile and repeat for 7 to 10 days. Listen, the only experience I have with any teeth whitening is like the whitening, like the Colgate whitening strips from Walmart, and they don't even really work and they taste bad, so it's fine. Alright, step 1, remove batteries from the light. Step 2, attach the mouth tray to the light. Step 3, apply gel to mouth tray. Step 4, insert light with tray into your mouth. Brush, floss, and dry your teeth before whitening. I've already done that, but then I ate some ice cream. But it's fine. Alright. Here's my teeth before. I'm gonna take a picture too and insert it. So these are the syringes that come in it. It just beeped at me. You know, it's beeping. Oh, this is the mouth tray. Okay, I'm just gonna put this here. Remove the batteries. I attach the mouth tray. Apply gel onto mouth tray. Mouth tray. Remove the cap from the gel syringe and fill the inner front surface of the mouth tray on top and bottom with a total of 0.5 milliliters of gel. Avoid overfilling the tray with gel. When finished, recap the syringe. With this bad boy here, these are labeled 1 to 5 with the halves. So I'll put half in the top and half in the bottom, and then there's a cap on the end of the syringe, and then I'll put it back on there. Again, here's the teeth in desperate need of whitening. I'm holding it with like the numbers where I can see them. So, oh no, I need to look from the top probably. So it's at the 5. So there's the top. I don't know like if this is right, but I'm taking the little thing and just doing like that. Just giving it a little. Oh, it smells good. Oh my god, I thought it was gonna taste horrible, and it smells like mint. I forgot, it does say mint on the package. I think I have it on wrong. Alright, so this is after use 1. You can see. In my bathroom lighting, I couldn't really tell a difference, but now that I'm in here where I guess I started it, I can tell a difference. Alright, it is day 2 of the teeth whitening kit. Here's the before for this one. Alright. Alright, I'm checking in for day 3 of the teeth whitening. Here's my teeth before. Alright, here we go. Alright, it's day 3 of the teeth whitening adventure. I'm about to go somewhere, so I don't have time to do the, like the whole thing. So I thought today would be a good day to try out the teeth whitening pen. Remove cap and twist bottom of pen until gel appears on brush tip. Smile wide and brush a small amount of gel onto each tooth. After 60 seconds, relax your smile. The gel will dissolve on its own. Repeat use 1 to 2 times per day. Avoid eating or drinking for 1 hour. So what it looks like is I have to twist this cap and then put the brush in like, oh, here's my teeth before. They're starting to get whiter. I'm really happy. Yeah, it looks like I smile big, brush it onto the teeth, and then wait 60 seconds. We're twisting the pen. Am I twisting it the right way? Oh, I am. Okay. All right. All right. So here's 60 seconds after the pen. Really convenient, like if you were going somewhere like fancy, I don't know, and you could like put this down in your bag or somewhere and brush your teeth. Hey guys, this is a follow-up video to the Oraglow teeth whitening kit video. So I did 10 uses out of it, and here's my teeth. Well, I did the first like 6 uses consecutively, but life kind of got in the way, so the last couple of uses I didn't get to. And then in between, like if I was going out, I'd use the pen. I only used the pen like 3 or 4 times total. I used that on days when I didn't have time to do like the actual like teeth whitening. And like when I started editing the video, I realized I did like day 3's check-in like twice or something, and like it was just a mess. After 10 uses of it though. So that was the end of the teeth whitening experience. I don't know what I expected. Like I can definitely tell they're whiter. Like they're definitely lighter. They're cleaner. Like I feel more confident with my teeth, but like I think I like expected them to be like blinding. I mean, they still might be. They, compared to what they were, they're definitely better. The thing is, like, I just don't know how often you're supposed to do it, because it says like it says in 7 to 10 days, but like how often do you do that? Like every 6 months or like once a year? I mean, probably more often than that. Like I'll have to ask my dentist, I guess. My dentist is gonna be quaking. She's gonna be like, a teeth whitening kit from Amazon? What I probably should do is to get like a teeth whitening treatment at the dentist. Thank you guys for watching. I had fun making this, and I've had fun using it because it's been sitting in a box since June because I couldn't use it because I was pregnant, and I've been dying to use it. So I feel like I really do feel better about my teeth though. But anyway, I will catch you guys in the next one. Everybody have a good day. Thank you again for watching. Bye.